Most people would probably sell you these DJ effects. Here at Young Simba, you get these effects for free. This is the 4th video in our DJ effects series, where we show you how to download effects that will make your mixes stand out. In this video, we are giving away 2 dancehall packs, one with vocals, and one without. To access the effects, the first thing you need to do is write down the code for the pack you want to download. For example, if you want to download the dancehall pack with vocals, take note of the code for dancehall pack with vocals. Now go to our website, and click on the download button for the dancehall pack with vocals. When asked for the password, type the code you wrote down. If you wrote the code correctly, you should land on this page. Now just scroll down, and hit on proceed. You will be redirected to our cloud storage where you can choose to listen to the effects and also be able to download them. More effects uploading soon. If you found the video helpful, please give us a like, share the video with a friend and subscribe for more DJ content.